Let's start with some of the standard shots you see in a lot of biking videos. The go-to pendant mount positions the camera on your chest to give you that POV shot looking through your arms, hands and the handlebars. The unicorn mount attaches to your bike helmet, and other than making you look like a unicorn, it gives you a lot of shot options. You can angle the camera looking directly downwards or pointing back towards your face, and then even angle the bracket up higher to get some cool high angle shots. Here I'm using the PGY Tech handlebar mount, and I've got the go-to mount pack which gives you different ways of mounting your camera. So here I'm using the 1/4 inch thread mount. With this handlebar mount you can shoot looking forward, looking down at the wheel or looking back at yourself, and you can change the position of the camera really easily by moving this small magic arm. The seat stem shot looks across the back wheel and is great if you have another bike following you. Positioning the camera on the chain stay or the seat stay, these shots allow you to get really big shots of the cogs and the wheels and the pedals in the foreground of your shots. I'll show you a few more creative shots in a minute, but before that it's worth mixing it up and doing a couple of tripod shots so the camera is away from you and away from the bike. These shots will be quick tripod shots that will add a bit of pace and a different perspective to your biking video. Place the camera down and ride as close as you can towards it without trashing it. Then find another location and ride past the camera this way. And these shots look particularly good when there's lots of water, dust or mud. If you've got a Joby GorillaPod Micro, you can hang the camera from a tree like this and get a top shot of you riding through. If you want to get even higher, you can simply use your selfie stick and lean it on a tree branch to get a super high angle shot. And for the creative shots, my favourite shots are these freestyle selfie stick shots. Just move the camera towards the wheel, away from the wheel, over the wheel, being careful not to hit the ground and not to fall off your bike. And I want to try one shot using the Manfrotto Super Clamp and attaching a selfie stick so I can position the camera just behind the front wheel. I love this pedal shot. You attach your go-to to the bottom of your pedal, and you can either hold your pedal in a top position or a bottom position, or you can rotate your pedal for some really interesting shots. It's way too hot here now, so let's head back to the studio and talk about the edit. I'll see you there in a second. The easiest way to edit these clips together, showing a short highlights video of your ride, is using Flash Cut. Flash Cut is in the Insta360 app, and it has templates with slot holders for your video clips. And these range from 1 clip to 18 clips, and it then auto edits them to music with transitions using AI. So we've shot a bike ride, so the most logical template to choose would be biking, but that only has room for 8 shots. So I've chosen the Smiles template, as this template can use 18 shots. So take your time here, press the icon in the bottom left hand corner first. This will bring up all the slot holders for the Flash Cut template that you've chosen, and you can see how long each clip is. Now choose which shot you want and where you want it, and if you change your mind, just tap the shot in the slot holder and then delete it with the cross, or just select another clip and it will automatically replace it. Now the most important bit here is that you check which part of the clip that the AI has chosen to use, and then you can change it if you want to. So double tap the clip in the slot holder and it will show you the section it's chosen. If you want to change it, then simply drag your finger on the timeline to a different section of the clip. Once you've selected and adjusted all your clips, now press preview. If you're happy, you could just export your video at this stage, but the best thing to do is to select further edit video and then select the back arrow in the top left hand corner, and this then saves a draft of the video so you can make changes to it in the future. So now select drafts, select your story and export. And in the export settings, click the custom icon here and set your video settings to the highest resolution and bitrate possible. Watch these two videos next for more cool stuff that you can do with your GoTo. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.